Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial for you on this smoky, shimmery mauve eyeshadow look. It was super easy and quick to do, all using shadows from the Ciaté London, the Editor palette in New England, which was featured in BoxyCharm a month or two ago. But if you don't have this eyeshadow palette, feel free to substitute any light colors that you have from other palettes. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, to start off, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera. So I'm going to go into the Ciaté London, the Editor palette in New England. I'm going to go into this matte taupe shade using a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to tap in and we're going to buff this all over our crease. And just be sure to drag out the shadow a little bit beyond your crease, just to create a winged out look. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into this matte dark chocolate brown shade and we're going to work this into the crease and the outer corner. Okay, next I'm going to take a flat shading brush and I'm going to dip into this shimmery purple shade right next to the dark matte brown. And I'm going to pat this all over my lid. Okay, then I'm going to take my Morphe M433 and dip back into this dark chocolate matte brown shade, and I'm going to deepen the outer crease and blend out the shimmer. And I'm just going to go in with the M441 again, not going to grab any shadow, and just make sure the crease is all blended. Okay, and this is it for the lids. I'm going to go ahead and do some of my face makeup off camera and I'll be back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, I'm back and I already did part of my face makeup on camera, so I'm going to finish the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 brush and go into the light brown taupe shade, and we're just going to buff this all over the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M507 brush and go into the dark brown matte shade and just work this on the lower third to half of my outer lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this champagne shimmer and I'm going to put this in my inner corner just to brighten it in beneath my eyebrow. Alright, this is it for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, to finish off the look, I went in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then for blush, I took the ColourPop Monochromatic Blush Duo in the shade Soft Peach. I just took the matte shade of the two, and for highlight, I used the Colourpop Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek, and for lips, I am wearing the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade 05 Loyalist, and last but not least, for lashes, I am wearing my favorite Ardell 3D Faux Mink in the style 858. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram or send me a message because I'd love to see what you do with it. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I upload 3 times a week. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.